Hey there, money savers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Tahanomics, your go-to channel for mastering the art of wealth management, one lesson at a time. Today, we're diving deep into some killer money hacks that will keep your wallet happy without sacrificing your lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting out, these tips are sure to help you stretch your dollars further. Let's jump right in. First up, the almighty coupon. I know, it sounds old school, but trust me, coupons are gold mines. They can save you a significant amount of money on everyday purchases. Websites like Honey and Rakuten automatically apply the best discount codes at checkout, making it easier than ever to save without the hassle of clipping physical coupons. And don't sleep on your local store's loyalty programs. They can add up quicker than you think. Many stores offer exclusive discounts, points, and even free items just for being a loyal customer. Speaking of saving, let's talk energy. Switching to energy-saving bulbs like LEDs can shave off a good chunk of your electricity bill. These bulbs use less power and last longer, making them a smart investment for any household. And we can all agree, lower utility bills are a win, right? Plus, many local governments offer rebates for making energy-efficient upgrades. Double win. Now let's dive into the world of smartphone apps. Apps like Mint and YNAB, you need a budget, can help you track every penny. They sync with your bank accounts and credit cards to show you exactly where your money's going. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. These apps can help you set budgets, track expenses, and even alert you when you're overspending in certain categories. Ever heard of cashback credit cards? They're like free money every time you spend. Just make sure you're paying off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. The Chase Freedom Flex and American Express Blue Cash every day are fantastic options to start with. These cards offer generous cashback rates on everyday purchases like groceries, gas, and dining out. Next, let's not forget about meal prepping. Buying groceries in bulk and prepping meals for the week can save you a ton compared to eating out. Plus, it's a healthier option. Websites like Budget Bites offer recipes that are both delicious and wallet-friendly. And hey, who doesn't love a home-cooked meal? It's a great way to bring the family together while saving money. Lastly, if you're shopping online, always price compare. Use tools like Google Shopping or the Camel website for Amazon price tracking. It's mind-blowing how much you can save by just spending a few extra minutes shopping around. Alright, that wraps up today's money hacks. Remember, it's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Every little bit adds up, and before you know it, you'll see a significant difference in your savings. Thanks for tuning in to Tahanomics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Until next time, keep saving and stay savvy.